Hello there, wonderful second graders. Okay, guys, so today is the instruction for Tuesday, August the 25th, 2020. These are your instructions for phonics and language. Today, you will complete page 25 and 26. Page 25 and 26. Before I give you instructions, let's review really quick. Special sound. What are special sounds? Special sounds are letters that we use to blend words or to sound out words. Our first special sound, blue and block, B-L. When you say the L sound, your tongue does not exit your mouth. So it's not block, black, no. Blue, block, block, blue and block. B-L, blue and block, B-L. Cool and clock, C-L, cool and clock, C-L, cool and clock, C-L. Fool and flake, F-L, fool and flake, F-L. Glue and glue, G-L, glue and glue, G-L. All right, so those are the special sounds that they're using on page 25. So now what you're going to do on number 1, it says circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. All right, remember, when you're looking for your special sounds, we just went over C-L-A-S-S. We just went over a special sound. So can you find one of the special sounds we went over in this word? That's right. Cool and clock, C-L. So I'm going to circle cool and clock. Now, my next instruction says mark the vowels. When there's one vowel in a word, that vowel usually makes the short sound. Second graders, how many vowels is in this word? 1. Short sound, smiley face. That cool is my special sound. Cool and clock. A says F, F, F. Class, class. All right. Number 2 says you're going to draw a line to match the picture with the correct word. There are 2 words you're going to see in the box. Only one word matches the picture. So you have to draw a line to the correct word. So the first one shows the boy he's kicking a ball. So we're looking for the word kick. Hey, do you remember what your rule is? The C and K rule? That's going to help you a lot when you're doing C and K words. What is my C and K rule, Mrs. Crosby? K goes with I and E. C goes with the other 3. A, O, and U. These are your vowels. Usually when you're spelling a word that's going to start with a K, the vowel that's going to accompany it or the vowel that goes with it is either going to be an I or an E. When you start a word with C, the vowel that goes with it is going to either be an A, an O, or U. How do I know that? Well, that's one of the rules that we learn in phonics. K goes with I and E. C goes with the other 3, A, O, and U. Watch. Kick. There's my K. There's that vowel. K goes with I and E. So I can either have an I here or E. Keep. There's that E. All right. C goes with the other 3, A, O, and U. If I'm trying to spell cup, I'm going to start it with a C instead of a K because C goes with A, O, or U. If I'm trying to spell cake, I'm going to start it with a C. C goes with A, O, and U. All right? So you're going to say your words to yourself. Then you're going to find the word that sounds the same. that sounds just like the word that you're saying. Okay. Dictation. What is dictation? Dictation is when I hear something, I write it down. I hear it, I write it. Down at the bottom of the page, you see the little doggy? That's our phonics friend. He has the word dictation next to him. We did this on yesterday. Dictation. You're now going to write what you hear Miss Crosby say, okay? The first thing you're going to do, in that first box, there are 2 spaces. I want you to write 2 vowels that I say, and you're going to mark them. The first vowel is the long A. The long A. So you're going to write the vowel and put the sign that should be there. Is it a smiley face or is it a line, the stick? Next to that, you're going to write the long O. The long O. Okay? Now, in the next box, we're doing 2 things as well. We're writing a blend this time. Mrs. Crosby, what is a blend? I'll trigger your memory. A blend is a consonant and a vowel put together. Correct. Consonant, vowel, put together. You're going to write the blend, and now you have to mark the vowel. So listen for the vowel sound. Is it short? If it is, I'm going to put a smiley face. Is it a long sound? If it is, I'm going to put a stick. First one. Ne, eh, ne, ne. Next one. V, v, I, vi, v, I, vi. Is the I making the long sound or the short? Okay. Now, we're getting ready to write words. Listen for your sounds. Listen for the blend. Listen for the special sound. Listen for the vowel. These are the ways that we learn to read words, and not just read words, but we read them smoothly. All right? First word, can. Can. K, k, k. C and K both make the k, k sound. But you know what? I'm going to remember my rule. K goes with I and E. C goes with the other 3. A, O, and U. Can. Can. Next word, 6. 6. She has $6. 6. Next word, tack. 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 Last word, bag. 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 Okay. Now we're going to look at our instructions for the next page, page 26. We're going to look at the instructions for page 26. Okay. On page 26, Miss Crosby has the wrong page. Hold on one second, second grader. I'm moving too fast. There's that page. Trying to hide from me. Okay. 26. Top of the page. Circle the special sounds. Mark the vowels. So, just like yesterday, in the green box, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. Sock, go, Blake, try, stay, sheep, clock, we. You have 2 things you need to do to those words. Circle the special sounds. What are special sounds? Remember, these are your special sounds. Circle your special sounds that you find in the word. Every special sound. There's going to be 3 words that have more than one special sound. So watch it closely. All right. Then you're going to mark your vowels. When there's one vowel in the word, that vowel usually makes a short sound. When there's 2 vowels in the word, the first vowel makes a long sound. The second vowel is shh. quiet. On number 2, write the picture word to finish each sentence. So, remember, a sentence has to make sense. I see that it started with a word and it's capitalized. I see that it has a punctuation, but there's something missing. So to make it complete, you're going to look at the picture and you plug in the word. Okay? For instance, Mom will frost there's a picture of a cake. So what am I going to put there? Mom will frost the cake. Now it makes sense. Okay. Number 3, draw a picture for each phrase. Phrase? Mrs. Crosby, what is a phrase? Well, by the time you do this page, we would have talked about that. But I'm going to remind you. Phrase. A long word. Phrase. What does that mean? It just means that it's not a complete sentence. It's telling you something, but it's not complete. So it's not starting with a capital letter. It's not ending with a punctuation. It's just a part of a sentence. So a phrase is a part of a sentence. It's like if I have Oreo. If I had just the filling, which is the white cream part, would I have a whole Oreo? No, I only have part of an Oreo. A phrase is part of a sentence. So you're going to draw a picture for each phrase. It says a fish in a pond. Well, what am I going to do? This is what I would do. I would draw some water. And I would draw a fish maybe hanging out of the water. Not my best fish. It's okay. That looks more like a bird, huh? Well, you get the picture. Okay. So you're going to draw a picture to match the phrase. Number 4, write each sentence correctly. Remember, sentences begin with capital letters and they end with a punctuation. Sentences begin with a capital letter and it ends with a punctuation. When you rewrite your sentence, it needs to begin with a capital letter and it needs to end with a punctuation. They're telling you to end it with a period. So that takes some of the guesswork out of it. Because if I'm ending with a period, that means all of these sentences are what type of sentences? Telling sentences. Correct. Great job, second graders. Another great day in the books for phonics and language. I'll see you later, alligator.